I got a tractor. But I don't know how to use it. I feel like a kid again. I bought myself a tractor. It's a 2004 Kubota, 52 horsepower, and it cost about 15 grand. It came with the bucket on the front, it's four-wheel drive, and if it sounds anything like I know what I'm talking about, nah, I have no clue. This is my first time even driving a tractor. I have no idea. There's this thing called a PTO in the back that's supposed to do a lot of things. No idea. I've never hooked up anything to a PTO before, so I got a lot to learn. Good thing for YouTube, eh? I don't like this part. Diesel's expensive. The first reason I decided to get a tractor is this side of things. I need to connect a couple things to it. Primarily, I'm gonna need some kind of a cutter, a mower. This grass gets really tall and it's difficult to get around. In addition to that, I want to replace that grass with a lot of wildflowers, which would be good for my bees, and well, they look nice too. Unfortunately, I don't know anything about this side. It's a PTO. It spins. I connect to it. It's hydraulic. That's the extent of my knowledge. 3 point something, that's the connector. We'll see. The second reason for the tractor is this bucket in the front here. I want to create a whole lot of pathways throughout the property, both around the perimeter, just so I can maintain the fences, and also to different areas where I'm going to plant different clusters of fruit trees, and also a pathway to the bees, because this stuff gets really tall, and I don't want to maintain that all the time. And having some nice pathways that we can just walk on instead of driving on all the time, I think that'll be pretty nice. So the bucket loader, spreading all the wood chips and mulch around, I think that'll be really instrumental. It'll certainly make spreading wood chips and a lot of other jobs a lot easier. Third reason for getting a tractor, it's a lot of fun, and I didn't even realize how much fun. I haven't even done any work with this tractor yet. I'm just taking the tractor around the property, exploring the different areas that I haven't been able to explore before, and man, that's already so cool. I'm gonna really like taking the kids for rides on here too. They're gonna love it. As soon as I can figure out how to work it. You gotta get a tractor.